Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset your Philips Smart Bulb. So to do it, open the Philips Hue app on your mobile device and select the settings tab at the bottom of the screen. So like here, the settings. Then you're gonna select the lights menu and select the bulb you want to reset. And select delete and bottom of the page. Then confirm by selecting delete light. The light is now unpaired and can be really where it needs to be. And then what you need to do, you just need to add it again. So first you just remove it from your app by just stop the video here and then stop the video here and it also here. And if you don't have the bridge, turn off the power supply to the bulb off and on 5 times. This activity should return to pairing mode. Download the Hue Bluetooth app, follow the pairing process, and if cutting the power to bulb doesn't flip to pairing mode, you may need to buy a... You can reset by bringing the switch close to it. Step 5. Press and hold I and 0 buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. So this is if you don't have the bridge. So just turn it off the 5 times on and off, and it should return it to pairing mode, and you want to download the Hue Bluetooth app. So have a great day and goodbye.